Okay, here is our layout of the kitchen. Your pantry cabinet in the corner. This is the broom cabinet at an angle. Your fridge, range, double ovens, the trash unit in the corner here. Two double ovens, a drawer below, two doors above, and an adjustable shelf. This is the appliance garage. So there would be a frame, a wood frame around these doors. And the reason we need to do that is to allow for the door to go inside the cabinet. Because right now, the doors are on top of the frame of the cabinet. This is the side of the cabinet, that's the wall end, so it can't slide in. So we've got to build that frame to bring the doors in to clear that wood frame, if that makes any sense at all. But that's the appliance garage, drawers below, dishwasher, upper cabinet, nothing here, trash, sink, and a pull out underneath the sink here, just an undermount sink, not an apron sink. And the left side of this is flush with that wall there. To the right of this is the trash cabinet, tray divider here for cookie sheets, cutting boards, etc., etc. The pantry cabinet in the lower section there, 48 wide. It terminates at the ceiling, 18 inches deep, and this may not be exactly what you're thinking. Of course, we can tweak it and adjust it. Drawers below and shelves behind these doors. Fridge, the side of that broom cabinet, you can see there's no adjustable shelves in here. And right now that's 12 inches deep. Maybe we can narrow that up, pick up a little bit more space. These are pull-outs. They slide out and the left side would be open for storage. Spice pull-out. This pulls straight out and the left side is open for spices. 36-inch range. The hood above, the bottom of the hood is that height, 69.25 above the floor. And it comes out about 24, 25, well, 26 inches. And your big drawer banks to the left. So let me know what you think of this layout, and we can go from there. Thanks, guys.